right now.
Let me explain to you, night watchers.
I'm gonna.
This
video
is what's
that
going
crazy
down.
girl right there.
This piece
What happened?
is hanging over like this. It's irritating, you know what I'm saying? So right now, because it doesn't seem to
They're
want to
having a
come
meeting right
off,
now, 'cause when Sean came home from
I'm gonna try and do something.
Um,
I don't know if it's crazy or not, but here we go.
Oh, sorry, I didn't get your.
Okay,
But you brought it anyway?
watch. You guys ready? I'm
light.
gonna go straight into
Thank
his
you.
tree,
It was an
okay?
extension cord that was
If I get
out,
hurt, no
and
laugh.
Sean had asked.
If I get hurt, please no laugh, okay? You guys can just
I
be
can't
courteous.
promise you that because if it's funny, I have to. I'm going
We
to.
have to laugh.
Oh
You're
my
not gonna
God.
get hurt.
If I get hurt,
You're just gonna bang right into the tree.
you don't think this thing's gonna fall with me? Come down?
No.
Okay. I better
When
climb
we
up.
got
Whoa,
home and then,
shit.
you know,
Whoa.
Sean was telling
Woo!
him about it.
That was kind
And
of
he
scary,
went
guys.
off on her, telling her,
Oh
you know,
God, hopefully this tree don't break in half, okay? Because if it does, look, this video don't exist. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. Okay, hold on. Okay. Whoa! Wait. Let's try that again.
So Andrew was bitching
Hold
with her
on.
and telling her, you know, y'all
That was
keep
kinda
yelling
cool.
about- to my kids about
Scary.
everything.
For the
Tell
first
my
time.
kids,
It's
don't
her
do
house.
this. Yeah.
Okay.
You know, that's what you gotta understand.
It's her house.
But she's beating on herself.
Okay.
She's got a big lump on her chest because she's punching herself.
Okay. Sorry.
Because all that shit is happening fast.
Trying not to show my
When I
goods.
was just
Sorry,
on the phone with
guys.
her, she needs to tell what's going on.
Fuck my hand hurt already. Fuck this tree, bro. What is it made of? Shit.